So yesterday we talked about different type of integer formatting, right? So now what we will be doing, I'll come to this sheet of there's a file that we have with the name Superstore data. So it's in the very last Superstore data. If you can all please come to this file. Now, this is a data that we all are going to use a lot throughout the session. Okay. But I would like to talk about a very important feature that we have in Excel, which is called as filters. See, basically, this is the e-commerce data, right? I would like to give a little bit of a brief about this data. So you have order ID, on what date that order was sold. So this is like a e-commerce data, right? Like when you buy something from Amazon, Flipkart. So there is an order ID that is generated, on what date that order was purchased, on what date that order was shipped, right? So we have the shipping code of that. We have the customer details, customer ID, customer name, segment, country, city, state, right? Postal code. And we have the information regarding that product. That product belonged to which category, subcategory, what was the product name, sales, quantity, discount, and profit. So that's the kind of data. Okay. So in case you want to do some filtration, filtration means you want to look at a specific data only. So what do we do in that case? See, just keep your cursor any data, and you have to come over here on sort and filter. If you click over here on sort and filter, you will just click on filter option. So when you click on filter option, you will see these icons will come. Suppose if you click on this drop down, suppose you click on this drop down and say I want to see the data of East. Just choose East, and only East data will be visible to you.
Okay, so what we do is filter is something which we use in case you want to look at a selective data. See, I'm going to repeat the steps over here. So all of you please come to this sheet of Superstore data. Are you all on the same sheet? Superstore data. Okay. So what you do is you come and click in the over here. You have to just click over here on filter. So the moment you will click on filter, you will get these drop downs at the top. And now, if you come on region, if you say you only want to see the data for East region, so you will get to see the data only for East region over here. So that's what the objective of a filter is. Filter is something which we are using to narrow down on the selective data that we want to look at. Okay. And the shortcut for applying the filter is Control Shift L. Right? Control Shift L. Like if you press Control Shift L, the filter is removed. Control Shift L, filter is applied. Okay. This is in the same file, the file that we were working on yesterday, the session file that I had shared. This data is in the same file, Superstore data. So there are multiple sheets. So yesterday we were working on this sheet. If you will move forward on the right side, you will see there is a Superstore data sheet in it. It's not a formula, it's a shortcut. Shortcut for the filter is Control Shift L. Right? Control Shift L. That's a shortcut for it. So basically, when you press Control Shift till the filter is removed, press it again, filter is applied. That's how it works. Okay. Yep, I will done with this till this point, everyone. Okay. See, now what I would like to, what we will do over here is we will be talking about a topic called as remove duplicates. Okay, this is a topic that we will talk about right now over here. See, what is remove duplicates? Like, for example, I have some data with me. I have ID and name 1, 2, 3, 3, A, B, C, C. So if you see right now, I can see the 3C is coming 2 times in my data right now. Correct? 3C is coming 2 times. In case you want to remove the duplicates from the data, you select this data over here. Okay. And you have to go into the data tab. And in the data tab over here, you will find one option of this remove duplicates. See, if you will click on this, it will ask you, do you want to remove the duplicates? Click OK, and there it is. Please just try this out, all of you. Yep, is it working for all of you? I'll repeat the steps. You select the data. You have to go in the data tab. Inside the data tab, this is where you will find the option of remove duplicates.